Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, for another YouTube video. I am All in Crypto, and today we are going to talk about a blockchain that is quite literally revolutionizing not just the traditional financial space, but also the crypto space. And it's doing this by bridging them together and creating an operating system that is going to allow traditional financial institutions into the crypto space. The blockchain that I'm, of course, talking about is Quant. The token associated with Quant is QNT. Now, Quant Network is not a blockchain. However, it does have a token, which is used to pay for fees. And there's various other utility to it, which, of course, is the Quant token, which lives on the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC20. So what I want to do in this video is talk to you a little bit about what Quant is. For many of you, it's new. We've spoken about Quant, I think, a handful of times on this channel. But this is a blockchain project that is not only doing something exceptionally interesting, but is actually making major headway in the traditional financial world. We're going to take a look now at an announcement from Gilbert Verderame, who is the founder of Quant Network. We've got quite a few videos coming up where we're going to be just looking at specific cryptos and doing a deep dive on them, showing you what they are, how they work, everything in between, where we're really going to focus on fundamentals of projects, and we will look at Quant. One thing that I found when I was looking into Quant was indeed Gilbert's background, which is impressive to say the least. Very much seems like the man for the job to build a blockchain project that is trying to integrate with the traditional financial world, but allow that world to gain access to the entire crypto space through what they call an Overledger OS. Overledger OS stands for Overledger Operating System. Very interesting. Let me just go ahead and get rid of my face and show you the tweet from Gilbert, the CEO, talking about a pretty big milestone and what's currently going on with Quant. Then we'll talk about the Quant project, look at a few other statements, and then we'll refer this to the sort of price action. So, you know, and you can hear the excitement in my voice in regards to this project and what it's doing. As an investor, this sort of stuff gets me excited. You know, we assess that this market's going to be huge. Quant is part of this market becoming huge as it needs to bridge with the traditional financial world. Quant is doing that. And whether you, and I don't agree with CBDCs at all, but they're coming. And from an investment point of view, this makes sense. From a freedom point, you know, I can't even argue that it doesn't make sense, but CBDCs are certainly not something that we're on board with. Let me know your thoughts, comments, and concerns about Quant. If you've enjoyed the content, as always, like is appreciated, so as a comment, and I'll catch you all in the next.